Welcome! Today I am with KIA Sportage and I will show you how you can connect Android smartphone through Bluetooth. So at the first you have to go for the settings icon. Next you have to go for the Bluetooth settings, click to Bluetooth connections and click to add new. Right now we have to grab your smartphone and go simply for the Bluetooth settings. So I'm going to make it by opening the notification bar. Right now just enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and take a look on the available devices. As you can see here we got the KIA Motors, so we have to simply tap on it. And after a few moments we will get the notification. We have to click the pair and just take a look on the screen. Our smartphone is added to the Bluetooth connection list and we are successfully connected. As you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.